Are you ready to tackle the biggest shopping season of the year? As budgets tighten, every sale matters more than ever. This peak season, effective shipping is essential to maintain your margins and keep customers happy. With Shippo, you can save up to 90% on shipping costs across 40+ carriers. We offer discounted rates that help you protect your profits. Plus, our TikTok shop integration allows seamless order fulfillment, ensuring you meet shipping deadlines to keep your customers satisfied. Using Shippo, manage all your orders from various platforms in one place. Automate repetitive tasks to save time and reduce errors. And when orders surge, bulk label editing lets you process up to 100 labels at once. Don't let the busy season overwhelm you. Sign up for Shippo today and start streamlining your shipping process. Let's make this peak season a success.